What if I told you the biggest enemy to your healthy, glossy hair isn't heat styling, it's water? In this video, I'll share 6 proven steps to stop hidden damage and grow healthy, luxurious hair naturally. Step 1. Understand the damage. Each time your hair gets wet, it swells like a sponge. As it dries, it contracts again, over and over. This hidden damage, called hygral fatigue, is why your hair splits, frizzes, and feels lifeless. The good news? You can break this cycle and restore your hair's natural strength. Step 2. Pre-wash oil treatment. Coconut oil is your hair's secret weapon. Apply it 30 minutes before washing. It penetrates deep, protects against swelling, and locks in proteins. This simple step reduces breakage and keeps your hair soft after every wash. Tip: if pure coconut oil feels heavy, try lighter blends to suit your hair type. Pause and save this step. You'll thank yourself later. Step 3. Gentle washing technique. Shampoo is for your scalp, not your hair lengths. Use lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water strips natural oils, leaving hair dry and brittle. Massage with fingertips, not nails, to avoid irritation. Your scalp will thank you. Step 4. Condition and protect. A conditioner is a must. Apply mid-lengths to ends, wait 5 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Always finish with a leave-in conditioner, and if you heat style, never skip heat protectant. Step 5. Nourish from within. Healthy hair starts from within. Eat protein-rich food like salmon, eggs, and nuts. Add vitamins like biotin, zinc, and iron for stronger hair. Drink enough water every day. Hydrated hair is happy hair. Step 6. Sleep smart. Switch to silk pillowcases or use a satin hair wrap at night. They reduce friction, prevent breakage, and keep your hair asleep while you sleep. Healthy hair is all about small, consistent habits. Start today, and in a few weeks, you'll see your hair transform. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care secrets from Raw Hair Luxury.